Peak Snow Beast beam wiper blades are the ideal solution for vehicles navigating through extreme weather and sub-zero temperatures. This video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with hook wiper arms. Hook wiper arms are among the easiest to install because you won't need any of the additional adapters, just the blade itself. First, with the wiper arm in the upright position, squeeze the size of the front of the adapter and pull the adapter latch up to open. Next, insert the wiper arm end through the hole in the front of the adapter on the blade. Then pull the wiper blade past the front tabs until you feel the blade firmly lock into place. Depending on your vehicle, you should feel or hear a snap or click. Visually check that the wiper arm is past the tabs. Then push the adapter latch back down until it locks into place. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set. Ready to easily wipe away everything winter throws at you with your new Peak Snow Beast wiper blades.